Hi, everybody. It's Joe Epifanio. I have the pleasure of being with Ray Addison here. He's a member of Rolling Thunder. Ray, thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thank you for having us.
Tell us about Rolling Thunder.
Rolling Thunder has been in existence now for 32 years. We're the ones that do the ride to the Vietnam Wall every Memorial Day up in Washington, D.C. And
last year, you guys had how many bikes? 500,000?
We had somewhere around 600,000 to 700,000 every year.
Wow, more than I thought.
And in 17, which was our 30th anniversary, the official FBI report was 1.25 million motorcycles that weekend.
So we have some power together.
Yes, we try.
I love it. So what are you doing here today?
Today we're trying to collect money. We're doing a toy run up to Panama City for the kids that lost everything during the Hurricane Michael. And we're going to be doing that on the 17th, leaving here. So we're trying to collect money just to buy toys.
All right, before I leave, I'm going to give you a donation. But tell me about today. You're going to do this run. Well, better yet, how can people get a hold of you? That would be best. Well, your website or?
Well, we're accepting donations or toys until the 15th. At that time, we have to purchase everything that we have the money for.
Where do they go, though, to donate the toys?
Alamo would be great. They have a big
gun
box.
Range?
Yeah, they
Perfect.
have a big box over there for us, as well as the donation jar.
Well, that's amazing. Ray, thank you so much for joining us. And look at the whole crew here. A lot of veterans in this group, a lot of great people giving their time, efforts, and love to back to the kids. Thank you very much, Ray. Have a great day. And let me give you that donation. We'll talk to you soon, everybody. Thanks.